This property offers space and seclusion and is only minutes away from downtown Concord. With 6 acres total, there is ample open space for backyard barbecues or hosting kids' birthday parties. The heart of the home is the open concept kitchen living area. Whether entertaining or cooking dinner for the family, you'll always stay connected. A few things the homeowner loves about the location is the proximity to hiking trails and Beach Hill Farm, where you can mingle with the animals while enjoying some ice cream.